DNA. So, in case of eukaryotic cell, where the DNA is found?
In the cytoplasm.
Is the DNA found in the cytoplasm in eukaryotic cell or in the nucleus?
Yeah, miss, in the nucleus and in prokaryotic cell. In the cytoplasm.
हाँ, तो मैं eukaryotic पूछ रही हूँ ना? So in eukaryotic cell, that is well developed cells, as they have nucleus, the DNA is found in the nucleus of the cell. And in the prokaryotic cell, it is found in
cytoplasm.
Is it found in the cytoplasm as nucleoid?
Yes.
As nucleoid and plasmid. Do you remember?
Yes, miss.
देखो, ये prokaryotic cell है, ये उसका cytoplasm है. So this is a circular DNA in the prokaryotic cell, which is called nucleoid. Now why it is called nucleoid, not the nucleus? पढ़ाया है मैंने ये 9th में, 10th में.
It lacks histone protein.
No, उसको फिर naked DNA बोलते हैं, वो अलग. इसको nucleoid बोलते हैं because it is like a nucleus but not a nucleus. Why like a nucleus? Because nucleus also has DNA. This has only DNA but no nuclear membrane. So it's like a nucleus but not the nucleus. समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
And apart from that, there is one small circular, extracellular circular DNA which is called plasmid. Okay, students?
Yes. Yes.
Then in some cell organelles also DNA is there. Can you tell me?
Mitochondria.
Mitochondria, chloroplast.
Yes.
Chloroplast
One more.
and mitochondria.
Correct. It's mitochondria and plastid, right?
Yes.
So students, the DNA which is present in the nucleus of the eukaryotic cell is in the form of chromatin fibers. समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
I said the DNA in the nucleus of eukaryotic cell is in the form of chromatin fibers because this DNA here is associated with histone proteins. Now what is that? यही हमें अभी पढ़ना है. What do you mean by DNA associated with histone proteins? समझ में आएगा. अभी सिर्फ याद लो. So eukaryotic cell का DNA is present in the nucleus in the form of chromatin fibers because of it is associated. It is with histone proteins. But the organellar DNA, मतलब the DNA in the organelles of the cell, like mitochondria and plastids का जो DNA है, is a naked DNA. Because DNA here without histone proteins. इतना तब समझेगा जब हम न्यूक्लियोसोम मॉडल पढ़ेंगे. क्या पढ़ेंगे?
Nucleosome model.
At present, just remember the DNA is found in eukaryotic cell in the nucleus, prokaryotic cell in the cytoplasm in the form of nucleoid or in the form of plasmid, and in the cell organelles also. So the DNA which is in the organelles like mitochondria and plastid, it is a naked DNA, and the DNA which is in the eukaryotic cell, it is with histone proteins, so it is in the form of chromatin fibers. One more thing, what can you tell about viruses? Students, virus can have either a DNA or RNA, never both together. इन बाकी सब में DNA and RNA दोनों होता है as a genetic material. But in virus, there is only DNA or only RNA. So virus can have either DNA or RNA as its genetic material. So the viruses which affects plants mostly contains
RNA.
Yes. And the viruses which affects animals mostly contains
DNA.
So या तो कुछ doubts about the occurrence of DNA?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
अब ये histone protein and ये क्या है chromatin fiber? Let us study that very important topic. Okay? Should I start?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
और आज की जो मैं नोट्स भेजूंगी, देखो एक पैराग्राफ है जिसमें से मैंने सिलेक्टेड पॉइंट्स शॉर्ट में लिखा है. ऐसे ही अपने नोट्स निकालो. मैं पेजेस भेजूंगी 3-4, लेकिन तुम्हारे नोट्स हार्डली 1 पेज या 1.5 पेज में खत्म होने चाहिए. मेन पॉइंट्स इन शॉर्ट. Got it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So, students, yesterday did we study the dimensions of bDNA?
Yes,
Yes,
Yes, miss.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
So first of all, we know that every DNA has a turn, and each turn of the bDNA contains how many base pairs?
10.
10.
10 days.
So there are 10 base pairs in every turn of the bDNA. And what is the distance between the two base pairs?
0.34
0.4
nanometer.
0.34
Nanometer.
nanometer.
right? So students, suppose ये जो DNA है which is inside the nucleus, इसके 100 turns है. कितने?
100.
Such 100 turns are there. So will it be having a very long length?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
And we have studied about the nucleus. The size of nucleus is very tiny. In such a tiny nucleus, how such a lengthy DNA will fit? So will have to be get condensed.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
जैसे हमारा जो small intestine है, अगर उसको निकाल के straight किया, will it be greater than our height?
Yes, ma'am.
But
Yes, ma'am.
still, it is fitted into the compact space of the abdominal cavity due to highly coiling, right?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
The same way, this DNA is made to undergo coiling to become chromatin fiber. Are you understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
The DNA undergoes coiling to form a chromatin fiber inside the nucleus. And at the time of cell division, we have studied these chromatin fibers undergo condensation and forms
Chromosomes.
chromosomes. Any doubts?
No.
No.
तो स्टूडेंट्स ये जो डीएनए है ना, ये पहले न्यूक्लियोसोम्स बनाता है. क्या बनाता है?
Nucleosome.
So what is that nucleosome? One minute, let me fill ink because today dark images चाहिए. By the time you all answer my questions, Jemmy,
Yes, ma'am.
what is the bond between adenine and thymine?
Double hydrogen bond.
Very good. Sairaj,
Yes, miss.
Nitesh, can you tell third Chargaff's rule?
Yes, miss. A plus T is equals to G plus C.
हाँ वो हो गया, प्योर इज इक्वल टू पैरेंट, वो हो गया. उसके अलावा
A plus T upon C plus G is equals to constant.
Yes, means can we say the ratio of the base pair for a species is always constant?
Yes, miss.
Okay. So there are so many students. Other students, please don't feel कि मैम selected बच्चों को ही पूछते हैं, ऐसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. One day specially I will have for oral only. उस दिन एक एक का नाम ले लेके questions पूछूंगी. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So students, DNA is wrapped around histone proteins. DNA is wrapped. I'll write here 2 wraps around histone proteins. चलो 12th standard students, हमने cell chapter में nucleosome model पढ़ा था. What do you mean by histone protein?
Set of positively charged basic proteins.
Correct. These are the positively charged proteins. Very good. DNA के ऊपर charge क्या होता है और?
Negative.
Negative.
Yes. So will the negatively charged DNA will get attracted towards the positively charged histone proteins?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So histone proteins are called histone proteins because they are positively charged proteins formed by. Can you tell me proteins are made up of what?
Amino acids.
Amino acids.
Yes. And how many amino acids are there in all in human body?
2 basic amino acids.
20 amino acids है. तो उन 20 में से the 2 amino acids, lysines and arginines. So the histone proteins are histone proteins because they are mainly made up of which 2 amino acids?
Lysine and arginine.
Lysine and arginine.
Lysines and arginines. Okay, so they are called histone proteins. Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
So यहाँ पे मैं बता रही हूँ न्यूक्लियोसोम मतलब देखो अब तक हमने न्यूक्लियोसाइड पढ़ा, फिर न्यूक्लियोटाइड पढ़ा, न्यूक्लियोटाइड्स join together to form DNA पढ़ा, and DNA is now binding with histone proteins to form न्यूक्लियोसोम. समझ में आया?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
तो to understand this, first of all, histone proteins के बहुत सारे टाइप है. Histone proteins के types are H1, H2A, H2B, H3, H4. These all are histone proteins. H means histone. So histone protein 1, histone protein 2A, histone protein 2B, histone protein 3, histone protein 4. And doubts you here?
No, ma'am.
No, miss.
So अब let us study the nucleosome, one nucleosome structure. Students, in the center there is a histone protein and उसके around फिर कौन wrapped होता है?
DNA.
DNA. तो सेंटर में हिस्टोन प्रोटीन का बॉल है which is made up of 8 histone proteins. That is what is called as histone octamer. Octa means 8. Are you understanding?
Yes,
Yes,
miss.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And फिर उसके अराउंड डीएनए अपने आप को रैप करता है. तो देखो स्ट्रेट जाओगे तो बहुत लेंथ होगा, लेकिन यही रैपिंग करोगे तो लेंथ कितना छोटा हो गया कि नहीं?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
तो समझ में आ रहा है ये क्यों हो रहा है?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, miss.
To fit such a long DNA in a very tiny nucleus. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
तो अब मैं यहाँ पे न्यूक्लियोसोम मॉडल ड्रॉ कर रही हूँ. सी योर केयरफुली. तो सबसे पहला, who is in the center of the nucleosome?
Histone octamer.
Histone octamer.
Yes. इज इट 8 हिस्टोन प्रोटीन्स? अब 11th के स्टूडेंट्स, यहाँ पे 8 हिस्टोन प्रोटीन्स होते हैं which together forms हिस्टोन ऑक्टेमर. मैं लेबलिंग बाद में करूँ. तो वो 8 हिस्टोन प्रोटीन्स क्या है? सी. चलो 12th स्टैंडर्ड स्टूडेंट्स, एक मिनट पहले मेरी 8 बॉल्स ड्रॉ करके बोले तो देन यू टेल. गैप नहीं दिखना चाहिए एक्चुअली. ठीक है. So these